Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the dispenser cover in a Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, a putty knife, and a heat gun. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new dispenser cover. This dispenser cover is located on the outside of the dispenser area on the freezer door. The main reason to replace the dispenser cover is if it's broken and won't stay in place. To remove the dispenser cover, we need to first take out this drip pan. To do that, I'm going to use the putty knife and I'm going to start from this corner. So I'm going to open the door slightly and jam it with my foot, and I'm going to slide the putty knife here and I'm going to pry it out. When we pulled out the drip pan, we exposed the 3 Phillips screws that hold this cover on the bottom. So we're going to use the Phillips screwdriver. I'm going to take the screws out. Next, I'm going to push up the dispenser cover. We got a couple of hooks at the back, so we're going to release them and turn it. And then I'm going to use the Phillips screwdriver. We're going to take out these 2 Phillips screws so we can remove this switch. So again, let's take out the screws. And now we can take this cover to the table and we're going to remove this overlay. And now we're going to use the heat gun to soften the glue at the back of this cover overlay, and then we're going to take it off. I mean, don't get overly excited and don't melt anything. And remember, you don't need to hit the centerpiece, only on the perimeter. Alright, then I'm going to use the putty knife. We're going to start it in the corner and we're going to peel it off. If you feel that it's still glued on, then use the heat gun again. I think I'm going to use it right there. Alright, I'm going to put it on the front. Be careful. And now we're going to install it onto the new one. This is the old dispenser cover next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, so we're back to the table with the new cover, and we are going to install the overlay. Well, let's wish good luck to each other, because if we're not going to succeed, then we need to order a new one and install the new one. We need to be precise in placing it here. Alright, so we're going to use the heat gun, and as I said, we're going to soften the glue on the back of the overlay for a better grip. And I'm going to press it more. The most important, the corners. Make sure that the corners and outer edges is holding good. Right now I'm going to unplug this switch. I'm going to press this locking tab, and I'm going to put it on the table together with the cover, and we're going to install it. This part is a little bit different from the original one, from the old one. All right, I'm going to install the switch, we need to put it under this 4 tabs. That's a little bit difficult, but we'll see how it's gonna go. It's in. Technically, you don't have to put screws in, but we're gonna put it anyway. So we got a couple of Phillip screws, and I'm gonna secure the switch using the Phillip screwdriver. And now we're gonna install it onto the fridge. Okay, we're gonna plug the switch. Make sure that it's all the way in. And now we're going to hang it with 1, 2, and 3 hooks on the top. We will put it through the openings on the door. I'm gonna place the hooks into the cutouts. Press it down. And now we're going to secure it with the 3 Phillip screws at the bottom. I'm using a Phillip screwdriver. And I'm going to slide in the drip pan. Put it in, align it, and press it in. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.